Created on a special day, hand knitted in a perfect way. The breath of heaven filled your frame, and God himself whispered your name. Before the stars lit up the sky, he saw you with his loving eye. You were made with purpose, born in love, a gift.
Hi Mama Marlene, happy birthday. Ang Permente Ma. See you soon. God bless. Enjoy your day. Happiest birthday Mama Marlene. I love you so much. God bless always. I'll see you again next year. Okay? Stay strong. Love you.
Hi Ate Marlene, happy birthday. You're part of the senior citizen now. So you're 60 years old. So less yung mga bawal, not allowed. Follow the rules of Antoinette and your kids. So bawal na ang Coke. Pag mag-inom ng Coke, less. And stay healthy. I love you. Happy birthday. See you soon guys. Mwah. Bye-bye.
Hi Ma, happy 60th birthday. I wish you all the best in life, and may God blesses you more and more and more and more birthdays, blessings and everything, because you deserve the best. And just know that I love you so much. Thank you for everything. Salamat kay ikaw ang isa sa nagpadako sa amua. And I'm very grateful for that. And also thank you for taking care of my dad and tito. And I know kita to na atas sa to ang rough patch, but I know that God is with us, guiding us and helping us through our healing. And kato lang, happy birthday Ma, and thank you so much, and I love you so much, and I miss you so much. Bye-bye.
Hi. Happy birthday, Marlene. I hope you will enjoy your day today and every day. Okay? Thank God, nakaabutaan ni na age. How old are you? 30 plus 30. Woo! Welcome. Welcome to the club. Na kay 20% discount. Uban ta pirmi, okay? Pati si Daday. I wish you all the best. Pagbalik dito sa atong chat kay naagid ko gisulti dito sa imuha importante para dito sa imuha customized for you. So I wish you na you will have good health, and then thank you sa mga kids kay nag-celebrate gud sila sa imong birthday, and it is really a blessing to be still with them at this time of our life sa atong age. So I wish you all the best, good health, joy and prosperity, happiness, and a good family bonding. And I want to retire soon. So, unta, maka-retire ko diha sa Andili. O niya, magchika-chika ta, maghinumdum ta sa itong mga kagahapon when we were young and restless. Pero ngayon, young na lang and not restless. Formal na ta kay. It's really beautiful to age gracefully and beautifully. Okay? Enjoy your day, Dang! We love you from all of us here. There is a layo nga dapit. Okay, enjoy. Take care. Okay, bye.
Fearfully, wonderfully made. Through the years you've grown in grace, with kindness shining on your face. You've touched the world in ways you'll never see by just being who you're meant to be. God's not done, the best is yet. You're a light he won't forget. You were made with purpose, born in love.
Happy and blessed 60th birthday, Ma.
Hi Ma, happy 60th birthday. More blessing to come and more birthdays to come, and keep on faith to the God, and pray always and be safe. God bless. Love you.
Bye-bye. Love you.
May gabi sa tanan, labi na sa nag-celebrate sa iyang birthday karon. Auntie Marlene, happy 68th birthday. And more birthdays to come. Enjoy lang ang kinabuhi habang nagkaedad, o enjoy po nimo ang mga discount sa senior kay nakaabil na manggagaron sa pagka-senior citizen. O may panglawas o daghan pang katuigan nga ma-celebrate nimo kauban mohang pamilya, relatives and friends. And once again, happy birthday, Auntie Marlene.
Para sa buutan, ubapan akong auntie, Ate Marlene, nga maoy isa sa mga dahilan nga ni samot kagwapa, gwapo mga lahi sa Leones, ang inahan sa akong mga igagaw. Happy birthday te. Unta tagaan pa kag maayong lawas sa Ginoo ug taas na kinabuhi. See you pohon. Happy birthday te.
Good morning from Dubai, Marlene. I'd just like to take this opportunity to wish you a very, very happy 60th birthday. I'm sure you will have a great time and enjoy your celebrations. So, once again, have a great time and I hope to see you sometime next year. Take care. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Mama Marlene.
Wala pa gani? Oh, sige. Sige na, go.
Happy birthday, Mama Marlene.
Sunod.
Thank you sa tanan. Nga ayog inugbok kay bad na sa tani.
Tapos,
Bye.